Mula po noong pagkabata ko sa seminaryo at hanggang ngayon, isa po sa mga naging libangan ko po at namin ay ang maglaro ng basketball. Staple po yan sa bawat seminaryo. And I would say every basketball player, I suppose, would share this basic principle in every game. At sa mga marahil nanonood at naririto na naglalaro ng basketball, na kapag nasa team ang possession ng bola, we have to defend it so that we have a good offense for it. Hindi pa iikutin ng matagal ang bola, pero gagawa lang ng sapat na paraan para makapuntos at magkaroon ng magandang basket ang kupunan na ito. Once possessed, aalagaan ang bola at dadalhin sa tamang dahilan. Hindi ipapanakaw, hindi ito turnover, hindi sana dadalhin sa kabilang kupunan naman ang bolang ito. Aalagaan kapag nasa kamay ang bolang ito. And with that, I would like us to see ourselves, you and me, in the same manner. Hawak tayo ng Diyos at nasa kamay tayo ng Diyos. And we continue to meditate the 10th chapter of St. John as we are still within the 4th week of Easter, which we all celebrated last Sunday, the Good Shepherd Sunday. Nasa puso po ng mabuting pastol na hindi tayo maagaw ng sinuman. Twice in today's gospel, the Lord said, "No one can take them out of my hand." Maganda po na gumagawa tayo ng dahilan, ng mga pamamaraan para tayo din ay hindi mawalay o makawala sa kamay ng Diyos. But let us remember, sa una pa lamang, Diyos ang humahawak sa atin, Diyos ang nag-aalaga sa atin, Diyos ang lumalaban para sa atin. The Good Shepherd will do all His best to protect and claim us His own. At hindi lamang po tayo hinahawakan o inaalagaan ng Diyos plainly, but at all times that we cannot be taken out of the Lord's hands, we are just simply led to what is best for us. Nasa palad tayo ng Diyos, kaya naririto po tayo ngayon. We are under the palm and the hands of the Lord, and that is why we are blessed. Nagpupursigi, nagsisikap at naghihilom po tayo dahil nasa mga kamay tayo ng Diyos. Hindi tayo pinapaagaw ng Diyos dahil hawak niya ang bawat isa sa atin. And my dear brothers and sisters, like every ball possession in every game, ginagawa ng Diyos ang lahat para hindi tayo maagaw ng sino man. When we are under God's hands, marahil medyo masakit na tayo ay nagkakaroon ng ilang mga painful moments. But let us feel those moments as His way of defending us from whatever may snatch us away. When we are under God's hands, God is in control. When He is holding us, He is just protecting us. But more than that, God is holding us so that He can lead each and every one of us to our purpose. And He can lead each and every one of us to the blessings He wishes us to receive.